Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through an all-new Scout 26 LXF in the beautiful Alpine Gray hull-side color. Let's go take a look. Starting here off the transom, we have V6 Mercury 200s in black. Moving forward into the cockpit, we have a great transom seat. 2 fish boxes in the floor. Easy access to your bilge compartment. We have a live well, port side aft. We have a port side dive door, making access on and off the boat very easy. Great wet bar with plenty of storage. Yeti cooler. Has a magnet on it, making it easy to get in and out of your cooler. Sink area. 4 rod holders across. We have the rocket launcher option on this boat. Moving forward, the helm. We have the 2 10-inch Garmin displays, Fusion stereo head unit, 2 wireless phone chargers, a black Edison steering wheel, your 4-inch Mercury vessel view gauge up top, great wraparound windshield, access to your head compartment. That is your bow table, also a nice feature. Now we have the bow lounger. This gives you a ton of storage in here. As you can see, we just got the boat, so we have the Mercury propellers in there right now, but this gives you plenty of storage. We have wraparound seating, storage all throughout. We have the bow filler cushion option. The bow table will go right there. I'll show you some storage. Both port and starboard side. We have the bow cup holders / rod holders, pop-up cleats, and real easy access to your windlass anchor with up and down controls. Come check this boat out at MarineMax in Huntington or give us a call at 631-956-4865. Thank you.